Welcome to this mindfulness meditation. In today's session, we will connect with nature, allowing its beauty and stillness to ground us. Whether you're sitting in the forest, by the ocean, or simply imagining the peacefulness of the natural world, this meditation will help you center yourself and become fully present in the moment. Find a comfortable seated position. Relax your body and let go of any tension you may be holding. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhaling slowly, letting go of any stress. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now bring your awareness to the present moment. Let go of anything that happened earlier today, or anything that might happen in the future. Just be here, in this moment, with your breath and your surroundings. The present moment is all that matters right now. The present moment is all that matters right now. Feel the earth beneath you, supporting you, grounding you. Just like the trees are deeply rooted in the ground, you too are grounded, connected, and supported. You are grounded. You are connected. You are supported. The scene shifts to a close-up of the leaves, rustling in the wind, then transitions to the gentle waves of the ocean, lapping at the shore. Now let's synchronize our breath with the rhythm of nature. Take a slow, deep breath in, just like the wind softly flowing through the trees. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly, just as the waves come and go with grace. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming one with the natural world around you. As you inhale, feel the air filling your lungs with calm and peace. As you exhale, release any tension or stress, just as the waves gently retreat into the ocean. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. Imagine the healing energy of nature surrounding you. Picture the golden sunlight pouring over you, filling you with warmth, light, and positive energy. Feel this energy infusing your being, calming your mind and soothing your body. You are filled with warmth. You are filled with light. Feel the strength of the mountains, the peace of the forest and the tranquility of the sky above you. Allow this natural energy to restore balance and harmony within you. You are balanced. You are harmonious. Now let's deepen our connection with nature through some affirmations. As I say each affirmation, repeat it to yourself, either silently or out loud, and allow these words to resonate deeply within you. I am grounded. I am at peace. I am grounded. I am at peace. I am calm. I am centered. I am calm. I am centered. I am connected to nature. I am connected to the earth. I am connected to nature. I am connected to the earth. I trust the natural flow of life, and I am at ease. I trust the natural flow of life, and I am at ease. As you sit here, breathing deeply, feeling the energy of the earth supporting you, remember that you are part of something much larger than yourself. You are a part of the earth, the trees, the wind, and the sky. We are all interconnected. We are all interconnected. Take a few more deep breaths, letting your body relax deeper into this sense of connection. Feel the calmness in your mind and body, allowing yourself to truly rest in this moment. You are calm. You are at peace. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to reflect on the peace you've cultivated within yourself. Carry this sense of calm with you, knowing that at any time you can return to the present moment and find tranquility in the natural world around you. Take one last deep breath in and breathe out slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the world around you, carrying nature's peace and grounding energy. Thank you for joining me in this mindfulness meditation in nature. May you find peace and grounding in your daily life, always connected to the earth and the natural world. Remember, you are grounded. You are peaceful, and you are always supported.